Recently, some unusual events have been occurring along the shores of various seas, events that are far from ordinary. Strange ancient sea creatures, typically found only in the ocean's depths, have started appearing on shores across different parts of the world. This raises a significant question. A question about our existence, a question about whether something ominous is approaching, and a question that hints at a warning which even scientists are puzzled by. In fact, scientists have become so concerned that they now prefer exploring the endless expanse of space rather than venturing into the mysterious depths of the ocean. But what exactly happened that made uncovering the secrets of the ocean so daunting that scientists now keep their distance from it? Even today, we only learn about new marine creatures when they unexpectedly surface or wash up on shores. Take the example of the oarfish, which resembles a gleaming silver sword and swims like a snake. Its recent appearance on the shores of Mexico has left scientists deeply concerned. Similarly, in Spain's Canary Islands, an anglerfish was recently spotted. Not an oarfish this time, but equally unsettling. What's striking is that these two incidents occurred within a short period, indicating a pattern. The sightings of the oarfish in Mexico and the anglerfish in Spain are far from normal. The oarfish, often called the doomsday fish, is known to live in extreme ocean depths. Historically, its appearance near the surface has been followed by natural disasters. On the other hand, the anglerfish, also known as the sea devil, resides around 2,000 meters below the ocean's surface, a zone where sunlight never reaches, and the pressure is intense enough to crush most living beings. Its unexpected appearance hints that something unusual is happening in the ocean's depths, possibly signaling an impending catastrophe. When connecting these incidents, one thing becomes clear. Earth and its inhabitants might be facing a significant threat. But how can the ocean warn us about dangers approaching on land? Well, if you believe the ocean can't reveal such warnings, then you haven't truly understood the mysteries of the sea. Even scientists have only explored about 20% of the ocean's vast expanse. During their exploration, something so unsettling occurred that they now consider space exploration to be safer than venturing deeper into the ocean. The reason behind these mysterious occurrences could be the intense pressure in the ocean depths, the absence of light, or perhaps the presence of a monstrous creature, not just a myth, but a terrifying reality. Some believe this creature could one day bring about the end of the world. But before diving into this chilling theory, let's discuss the two recent incidents that have puzzled scientists. Many experts believe these deep sea creatures are surfacing due to climate change. As ocean temperatures rise, these creatures may be moving upward in search of cooler waters. Climate change has likely disturbed their natural habitat, forcing them to leave the ocean depths. Another possible reason scientists suggest is underwater earthquakes and volcanic activity. Such disturbances on the seabed may have forced these creatures to come up to the surface. For instance, when a large number of oarfish were spotted near Japan's shores, it was later linked to seismic activity beneath the sea, which eventually led to the devastating earthquake and tsunami in Japan. Now, as for why scientists have become reluctant to explore the ocean, the main reason they cite is the extreme conditions in its depths. Sunlight cannot penetrate such depths, and the pressure is so intense that most human-made equipment cannot survive. However, some theories go beyond science. Legends speak of a monstrous creature known as the Kraken, a giant squid-like beast from Norse mythology to be capable of sinking entire ships with a single strike. While the Kraken is considered mythical, real-life discoveries like the Megalodon shark, an ancient predator whose fossils have been found on various shores, remind us that terrifying sea creatures did once exist. Some believe these creatures may still dwell in the ocean's depths, adapted to hidden environments. In fact, reports suggest sightings of giant serpents and sea dragons in unexplored parts of the ocean. While these beings may seem far-fetched, even if they were real, it could only threaten ships or coastal cities, potentially triggering tsunamis, but not necessarily endangering the entire planet. Yet there's one creature that stands out, the Leviathan, also known as the destructive sea monster. Leviathan is an enigmatic entity mentioned in ancient texts, including the Bible. Many dismiss its existence as myth, but folklore describes it as a colossal creature capable of swallowing thousands of ships or even entire mountains. Legends say that Leviathan currently lies dormant, and when it awakens, it could mark the arrival of an apocalyptic event. The recent sightings of oarfish and anglerfish appearing on shores may be signs that Leviathan's awakening is near. Some believe this could indicate a large-scale disaster is approaching. Whether these events are due to natural disasters or the awakening of Leviathan is uncertain. Hope you enjoy the video. See you in another interesting video. Stay informed, stay prepared, and most importantly, stay curious.